everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm with the lovely Abby, who's my eldest daughter, and we're going to be showing you how to do a cheat French braid. If you already know how to French braid, still worth a watch because I can pull it really big, it looks very Elsa, very bridal, but if you can't braid, this is the video for you, so keep watching. Okay, so I've decided to kind of do this braid sitting on the side and coming over this shoulder, but you can definitely just do one like straight down the back like a normal braid, no problem. So you're going to need lots of elastics for this style. It's not quicker than a French braid, but it still looks amazing and it's totally worth having a go. So the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to take a section of hair from the top here. Now, if you can see a little bit of indentation in Abby's hair, I've used like a micro crimper all along the hair just to sort of make it easier to work with, but it's not essential to do this style. So, first section of hair, you could take a much smaller section if you've got more time. Now, what we're going to do is each section is going to be held in with elastic. So, to do that, you're going to need an anchor piece. So, I'm just going to kind of move this hair here. And this first piece here, I want it to kind of sit there. So I'm going to take a really small section of hair from over here, like so, and I'm just going to anchor that by putting an elastic in. And then you're going to hold onto this elastic, and then depending on the kind of look that you're going for, I'm just going to tease that section out. You don't need to do this bit if you don't want it to be a big sort of braid. So next I'm just going to work the second section. So try and just have a check from the front if you haven't got a mirror like I haven't today. Just make sure that it's sitting nicely from the front, okay? I'm going to turn it so you can see. So this is our second section and we're going to pass this one across, and again we're going to choose a little bit of hair to be the anchor. So you'll just sweep that over, join it with the anchor piece, pop another elastic in, and again just using your fingers to just give this a little bit of oomph if you want to. Next we're going to take another slice of hair like this. So basically what you're doing is you're emulating a big French braid, but you're not actually having to do any of the braiding. And because it's held in with elastics and an anchor piece of hair, you can pull it way, way, way bigger than you'd be able to pull a regular braid. And you really can decide, you know, if you've got somebody that's maybe a bride, and they want that really big bridal look, you can really go to town pulling out. So again, you're picking up your next section. So what you're trying to make sure is each time you're covering up this elastic here. So you're sort of layering that hair across, then deciding where you want that little anchor piece just to hold it across there. And then you're placing your elastic in. So we've worked with all the hair on the head, and now you're going to sort of use all this hair just at the nape of the neck here, and I'm going to kind of keep a little bit of width to this braid. Know that this should be the part we turn around and don't look back again, but I'm honestly just missing it, staying up late telling secrets, fighting till we fall asleep, waking up just to do it some more. And I'm just going to take my last piece now, guys, cross it over like that, pinch the whole lot together like you would do a regular braid. So that is my cheap French braid finished. I'm going to do a little spin so you can see from all angles. You better be making a bloopers video.
Take 5.
Okay, centre. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Sorry, we've had about 5 goes at this now, so we're all going a bit loopy. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Abby's been super patient for me because this is definitely not faster than French braiding, but it does look good. I do love it. I'll see you next week for another video. Bye. Right, we're done, Abby. We did it.
Congratulations.